behind a new chapter. Andhra Pradesh records less air pollution this Diwali compared to previous years. Andhra Pradesh recorded a dip in pollution levels at all four of its real-time AQI monitoring stations, Visakhapatnam, Tirumala, Velakapudi and Rajamahendravaram. This Diwali compared to previous years, an APPCB survey showed all stations recorded air quality index that was either moderate or satisfactory in Diwali. An official said that the readings are usually taken between 6 to 10 pm on Diwali. Serum Institute's Adit Poonawalla defines what makes a good vaccine. Serum Institute of India CEO Adit Poonawalla took to Twitter to offer his definition of a good vaccine. He said a good vaccine has 4 attributes. It has to be safe, it should offer long-term protection against the disease, it can be transported and stored at the manageable temperature, and it should be affordable to all of the humanity, he wrote. US approves first COVID-19 self-testing kit that provides results within 30 minutes. The US Food and Drug Administration said on Tuesday it has approved the first COVID-19 self-testing kit for home use that provides results within 30 minutes. The single-use test made by Lucira Health has been given authorization for home use with self-collected nasal swab samples in individuals aged 14 and older who are suspected of COVID-19 by their healthcare provider. India's COVID-19 cases crossed 89 lakh after over 38,000 new cases in 24 hours. India has reported 38,670 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's total number of cases to 89 lakh 12,908. The death toll due to the disease reached 1 lakh 30,993, with 474 more deaths in the last 24 hours. The country's total number of active cases stands at 4 lakh 46,805, after 83 lakhs 35,110 people recovered from the disease. FIFA cancels U17 Women's World Cup 2020, India to host in 2022. FIFA U17 Women's World Cup, which was supposed to be held in India in 2021 after it got postponed this year due to COVID-19, was called off on Tuesday. India will now be hosting the next edition in 2022. The U20 Women's World Cup in Costa Rica was also cancelled and they were again named host for the 2022 edition. 11-year-old girl walks 10 km to lodge complaint against her father in Odisha. An 11-year-old girl in an Odisha village walked 10 km to submit a written complaint against her father with Kendrapara collector. She accused her father of forcibly taking away the midday meal money and rice sanctioned to her. She stated that after her mother passed away, her father got remarried and the couple refused to take care of her. My fascination with India largely revolved around Mahatma Gandhi, said Barack Obama. Former US President Barack Obama in his memoir, A Promised Land, said that his fascination with India largely revolved around Mahatma Gandhi. I studied his writings and found him giving voice to some of my deepest instincts, he added. However, the Indian icon was unable to successfully address the caste system or prevent the partition of India, he further said. All the coronavirus in the world can fit in a teaspoon, said Australian mathematician. The total amount of COVID-19 infecting humans around the world would fit into a little more than a teaspoon, Australian TV mathematician Matt Parkus claimed. The microscopic size of the coronavirus means its total value is the minuscule 8 ml, he added. He further said even at the upper end of his estimates, all the coronavirus would fit inside a shot glass. Satya Nadella among 9 American CEOs to meet US President-elect Joe Biden. Microsoft India born CEO Satya Nadella along with 8 other American business leaders have been invited for a virtual meeting with US President-elect Joe Biden and Vice President-elect Kamala Harris to discuss issues related to the US economy. General Motors CEO Mary Barra and Gap CEO Sonia Singhal have also been invited to the meeting. Maya Chandu to be the first female president of Moldova. Former World Bank economist Maya Chandu has won the Moldova presidential election by defeating incumbent Igor Dodon. The Sandu, who will be the first female president of Moldova, secured 57.72% of the votes compared to Dodon's 42.28%. The Central Election Commission data showed. Chandu thanked her supporters for the victory and promised to win over those who voted for her opponent. One of the strongest leaf in the world, Victoria water lily, capable of holding up a human. Typewriter is the longest word that can be made using the letters only on one row on the keyboard. We tend to be more attracted to people who have a similar taste in music. Pluviophile is the lover of rain who finds joy and peace of mind during rainy days. Bro is owned by Hindustan Unilever. It was launched in the year of 1962. It is the second largest selling instant coffee brand in India after Nescafe.